Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Glenn and I'm glad to see you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi besties, I'm glad to see you back. Anyway, so as you guys can see already in the title, I'm so excited because I have been wanting to do this video, which is a fall fashion haul. So all of the stuff that I will be showing today is thrifted clothes and also from the brands that are sustainable fashion. And so yes, let's just start. Okay, so first things first, I want to talk about is this brand Sinbono. They are 100% vegan handbag. They are sustainable and ethical as well. So let me just do a little quick unboxing first because I'm excited to finally like unbox this. And ooh, it has a paper or like a dust bag, not paper, it came with a dust bag as well. That is so freaking cute. Okay, let's just open this up. This is good. I love when brands or when I'm ordering a bag, it came with their own dust bag, because if I'm not wearing the bag, I want to keep it in their dust bag so it won't collect dust. So that is really good when brands have their, you know, when I ordered bag from brands that has their, you know, like little dust bag. Oh my god, you guys, look at these bag. Okay, hold on, let me adjust the light because I feel like I'm way too bright. Okay, before I show you guys the bag, let me just say this. Sinbono is a vegan designer handbag company that focuses on making high quality bags that are both on a trend but in classic shapes. When I was scrolling to their website because they want me to pick what kind of bag, I was like, what do I pick? Because they have the beautiful bags ever. It's like both trendy but at the same time classic. Like it's not just like a trendy bag that you're gonna use in one like trend and the next like season or like trends you're not gonna be able to use it again. But I was like I was having a hard time trying to like pick a bag because all of them are like really beautiful, but my eyes really caught on this bag particularly, which is their Amelia handbag. And like I said, all of their handbags are made in vegan leather. So yeah, this is the Amelia handbag and I choose the color ivory. They also have a lot of colors as well, so I'm gonna leave the link on my description bar below, which is the Sinbono website, and also a link for this particular bag. This really caught my eyes. But yeah, this is their Amelia handbag right here and it's just so beautiful. They have their logo over there, which is their name brand Sinbono, and both gold hardwares. I love this bag. Okay, so let's just open it. So there's one inner pocket inside and this feels like faux inside. It's so soft and it has two snap magnetic closure, which is really good as well. So I want to show you guys what can fit in this bag really quick. So I have my essentials in here, and let's start with my iPhone. I do have the iPhone XX Max, which is a pretty old phone. I'm gonna put it in here, and I have my eyeglasses here. Gotta have that so I can see. I have my AirPods here, and I always bring some like gums, and then of course hand sanitizers here, my mirror, and then of course I have mask here, and then lip gloss, or it depends on what lip color I'm using, you know, in a day. I will bring it with me. So this is from a red tinted lip oil, and then I have like a couple of coins, but I think I'm not gonna put that over here. And I also have my key pouch from LB and my keys, so I'm gonna put it around here. This holds a lot of like my essentials. Like, to be honest with you, these are just like all my essentials, but there's still a bunch of like space, and I could still probably put, you know, some cash or coins in this like inner pocket inside. But other than that, I mean, to be honest with you, I don't even put my phone in the bag. I have it in my pocket or in my hand. So if I have to take the phone, I have more like space in the bag. But yeah, I love this bag, you guys. But yes, I'm gonna put the, like I said, I'm gonna put the link on the description, the link of this bag in the description box below, and also the Sinbono website if you guys want to scroll down to their, like, you know, if you want to choose their bag. So we're gonna move on to like a clothing pieces. I have some clothing pieces here. All of these clothes are thrifted, by the way. some of these are from Goodwill and some of these are from like local thrift store around where I live. So I want to show you guys. I'm so excited. It's literally the perfect clothing that I got. It's perfect for fall and perfect for I would say like a little like winter time. So my friend and I went to our local thrift store. It's actually like only, I would say, 35 minutes away from where I live. So anyways, let's just start with this one. Okay, let's start with this belt because I literally paid at least $1 or $2 for this belt. I don't have any white or cream white belt, and this really just caught my eyes. So this is the belt that I got, and I love like the gold details. It's so freaking nice, and I feel like it's like snake skin type of like material. It's so freaking cute. And like I said, I got this for $2. Like belts nowadays are like expensive too. Okay, we're gonna talk about this one right here, which is from the brand Rina Rowan, right there. So yeah, I literally freaking love this shirt. Button up, I love the print, I love the design, the texture of this cloth. This button up is freaking amazing. And it has like little pocket as well, and it has like slits in the side. I really cannot wait to like wear this and actually style it myself. I already have a bunch of like ideas on how to style this this piece, but yeah, you guys have to like watch out for that, and you know, follow me on my Instagram. We're gonna move on to this shirt right here. Honestly, this kind of like reminds me of my mom's shirt, low-key. I feel like my mom have this type of shirt in the Philippines. Like I just feel it in my bones. I feel like she have one of these like shirts. But yeah, it's just like a regular, it's perfect for fall as well. And I just love the material of this shirt, you guys. It's amazing. The name of like the brand, just in case if you guys are like, you know, wondering. But yeah, I love this as well. So the next one is this green button up. Mind you, I got this at the men's section. Men's section is just different because they have, it's way kind of like oversized, and I have been seeing like this green button up from Frankie Shop, I think, but they're a little, really, they're not just a little expensive, they are freaking expensive. So when I saw this, I'm like, it's kind of like almost the same, but this is a little bit like sagey color. The one from the one that Frankie Shop is like green, like dark green color. But hey, like I don't want to spend money on just a regular button up. Thrift store got me. But yeah, I just got these instead. I mean, you know, it's just a 2-3 shades of green lighter. But anyways, I just got these button up in the men's section, and this is size large, and this is the brand name over there. So these 3 clothing that I'm gonna show it to you guys. I already thrifted this a long time ago. I just forgot to show it to you guys, and it's kind of like a fall clothing. I think I got this like a month or 2 ago. I thrifted these clothes from Goodwill. So I think one of the dresses I showed, I don't remember, but anyways, so I thrifted this like vest. You know, vest is still, pretty sure they're still gonna be in. Let me know. But yeah, this is like a perfect, like the color perfect for fall. Like this is just screams fall to me, like in different languages. Like look how pretty this vest is. And I am planning on wearing this with like a high knee boots, or like boots in general, maybe with my Jadon boots from Doc Martens, and you know, just style this. It's literally, when I try this on, it's like a dress, but I think I'm gonna put like a white button up. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna I can just like style this without the button up and with the button up. But yeah, I already am like excited to kind of like style this vest. But yeah, thank God they have like this really large vest. And also this is like 3 times 3x. This is from Talbot's Woman. That's the tag over there. But yeah, I am so excited to style this as well, you guys. You have no idea. Like it's just chef's kiss. Okay, so the next one we have here is this black velvet button up shirt. You guys have no idea, I literally kind of like freaked out and screamed when I was in the thrift store because look how pretty this is. It is velvet. The material of this button up is velvet. It's very like, it's very soft. I also found this at the men's section. Like I said, if you want something like baggy, go to the men's section because they have more selection than if you want to go to like the women's section. They just have like the oversized baggy button up in the men's section. So every time I go to the thrift store, I always go straight to the men's section first and then work my way up to like the women's section. But yeah, this is literally amazing. It's perfect for, like I said, I feel like it's perfect for fall, winter, also like summertime. Like you can just like probably like wear a white tank top and just like put this over on top, like the one I'm wearing right now from Jerf Avenue. I can also just like put it up, but not in this type of weather yet because it's 88 degrees outside. But yeah, this is amazing, you guys. I feel like I only paid $3 for this button up. That is a steal. Okay, that is a steal. If you go to like another store, like expensive store like Zara, you're probably gonna ending up paying $60 for a button up, like a regular button up. And this has also a pocket, which is so cute. And by the way, this is the brand right there, Briggs, I think. Yeah, and it's size 16, so it's very like oversized, and it's just the perfect oversize for me. So yeah, it's Briggs New York. I'm not familiar of the brand, but right there. This is the last piece that I thrifted, is this heel from Karl Lagerfeld. You guys, this was like, yep, they're still priced here, $3.93, which is like technically I would say $4. And look, it's a perfect heel, the perfect size of the heel, and it's like crisscross. I do have a black heel, but they're square toe, which is I still love. Those are, I really get a lot of compliments wearing those heels. I keep posting those heels on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys DM me like, where did you get that, like what's the name of the heels? It's from Mango. If you guys want the link, I will also like leave it on my description bar below if you guys are, you know, interested. I got this for literally $4, and I love the design. It doesn't look like it's like beaten up. It's like the perfect, like it's still perfect. Like it's so freaking good. Like I love like the circle design going on, like the heels going on, and like a little crisscross moment. It's so freaking cute. I saved the best for last. So this is from Jerv Avenue. I got this package, I would say this week, and let me just show you guys. Okay, I know it's gonna be fall in literally a week, okay, but don't at me, because can we talk about this Popsicle Skirt, because she is perfect. I feel like you can also just like wear this like full time, because if it's not like, if it's 60 degrees, like 50, I feel like skirt it's still like good, like wearing it. But you guys, just look at this skirt. It's a freaking amazing. Like this skirt is amazing. I cannot wait to try this as well and style this as well together with like my other clothes. And then this one right here is their Matcha, I believe. Matcha, yeah, Matcha Halter neck top. The top look like it's very green in the camera, but yeah, she's lime green. I love the quality of this this top. It's so smooth, and this you can just like adjust them, which is really good, you know, right there. That's pretty cute. So yeah, this is size ML as well. If you guys are interested on the top that I will be mentioning from Jerf Avenue, I'll leave the link as well. You guys already know that. And the last here is this tote bag. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is their new tote bag from Jerf Avenue. Let me read the name. Yeah, this is Terry Tote Bag. So this is what they look like. It has the brand name over there, Jerf Avenue, in the color like green. I love that. And then you can also just, it's literally up to you. You can just tie this, depends on like the length. And mind you, Jerf Avenue is another sustainable, ethical brand. I have more here, and this is the pants that I thrifted as well. I feel like the thrift gods just bless me last week, me and my friend Ashley, the thrift god just blessed me, because the only two stuff that I wanna like look at the thrift store was go to the men's section. Maybe they have like an oversized green button up shirt. I found one, even if it's not like the perfect color that I want, but I found one. This is the freaking plaid pants of my dreams as well. Look at that perfect green and black checkered color. It's just amazing. And look at this details that I was not ready for it. Like this details, look at that details. I freaking love it. And this is the brand name Counterparts. Yeah, this is the brand name right here, right there. Counterparts. And I was like, I told Ashley, oh my god, we're gonna be twinning, because she literally have the same one like these, but I feel like she don't like her plaid pants don't have these. But I told her we're gonna be twinning, and I tried it on and it fits perfect. The length is perfect, everything is just perfect with these pants. And I'm so excited to style this as well, because I have been, like I said, I have been eyeing like a perfect like baggy fit plaid pants in a while, and I finally found it at the thrift store. Like the thrift gods just blessed me that day, me and her. She also got like a lot of like amazing clothes. Okay besties, that's it for today's haul. Like I said, if you guys are interested on this Sinbono Amelia bag, we could be twinning. I will put the link on my description box below, and I'm also gonna put like the codes that, or like yeah, the code in my description box below, so you guys also save money. I'm not familiar like what's the price on this bag. I think I'm gonna put it, if not in the description bar below, like the link, I'll put it somewhere in the screen. But yes, yeah, check this chapter out if you want to buy like leather, like vegan leather, and you don't want to break a bank. Check Sinbono out. Anyway besties, that is it for today's video. I hope you loved this video as much as I did. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also like this video if you guys love this video. I will see you besties on my next video. Bye.